Hello, this is Group Project 1's web tour. I'm Kirsten, I'm with Carly, Madison, and Jihan, and we will be doing our web tour on Canada.ca. So to get there, you go to your search bar, type in www.canada.ca, and you will be led to the first page where you can select your language settings. So we're going to go to English. So this is the Government of Canada's site to give everyone insight on everything that happens in Canada. This is their digital presence for all types of Canadians to use for businesses, research, and general interest. Their goal is to make it easier for Canadians to find and understand things about the Government of Canada and their information and services. So they have many tabs such as jobs, immigration, travel, business, benefits, health, taxes, and they have even more services, so they're very open for anybody looking for information. For this project, it is beneficial if you would go to businesses, and then you would go down to research and business intelligence, and you can go down to conducting market research.
So to continue on, we're going to go into the conducting market research app. So this is definitely the best place to go if you're a beginner in the market research section, which we definitely all are. So this would be a big help for all of our group projects. So even to just start off with the guide to market research and analysis, you can figure out what is market research, why it's important, the differences between primary and secondary marketing research, when to conduct marketing research, and lots of information on all of that. So then also on the conducting marketing research, you can design a questionnaire as well as surveys, and it just gives you a lot of information on how to do each thing. It definitely describes when it's an appropriate time to do a survey or questionnaire or anything like that, and different market research methods. This is definitely the portion of the website that is just helpful in general to all of us. And then we'll move on to something more specific, which we're just going to go back to the beginning page of the research and business intelligence. Then we'll go down to international trade data. So this is more specifically about obviously international businesses, which helps us for our projects because we're supposed to do our projects on Canada businesses and industries, but this is a great way to compare Canada with international companies, which I think is great information for your projects. So we're just going to go to import and export data. So in here you can actually find information on international businesses. So we're going to go search by industry, and then you can change the trade type, so you can do different options for that. And then your time period, so we're going to do latest 10 years, and then obviously we want to keep the value in Canadian, and then we're going to, you can do all industries, but we want to search for a specific industry. This is a good time that you can use your NAICS codes. For us, we're just going to search up food. Then on here you can pick one specifically, so let's do sugar manufacturing. You just add to selected industries, then you're going to run a report. This is going to give you the amount of money that was spent on food in all countries not all food, all sugar manufacturing that was spent in the last 10 years in Canada. So that's just a little information that you can do with the international trade data. You can also look at global market trends, agriculture and food market intelligence, Canadian importers, global tariff information, and international market research. So definitely a lot of information on there.
To continue, I'll go over financial performance data. I'll click on it. I will give you the option to create a report for your all financial performance data. I'll just create a report here. I will give you many options. Do you want your revenue range to be between 30K and 5 million, 5 million to 20 million? I'll just leave it on the first option. You could choose your province. I'll put it on Ontario. And then here you could choose the business you are in. I'll just make it incorporated business. And do you want it to be distribution by total revenue or profit margin? I'll leave it on profit margin. And the value will be perfect if you leave it a percentage. The industry option, search for industry. And here you can put the code or a keyword. I'll just put 44612. That leads to the cosmetics. I'll just choose the first one for the cosmetics, beauty supply, and the perfume stores. I'll hit create report. As you can see, I will give you a detailed information for this report. Give you the total revenue and the expenses. Give you the balance sheet and include the total asset and total liabilities. And the financial ratio. And if you are wondering what these letters are here, the B or C or E, you could just scroll all the way down to see the quality indicator. For example, A, it means an excellent resource here. B, very good. C, good. D, acceptable. E, you have to be careful. It means use with caution.
So heading back to our research and business intelligence page, you can see that we have other services and information listed, such as small business research and statistics, customizable portal for statistics data, directories of Canadian companies, industry sector intelligence, intellectual property business and intelligence. Thank you for coming to our web tour, and we hope we assist in your research findings.